Hello guys, so today I'm on the Longleat Railway in Longleat in the county of Wiltshire. So I'm currently on the train. I'll be back to you when the train is rolling. And as you know it, the train has just started to move, just barely. We are now leaving Longleat Central here. We're just leaving it now. Longleat Central, yep. We are now leaving the station and heading towards another one. We've got the Longleat Junction pops over there. We've got people walking along the train tracks here. The platform is now over. People walking through here. We've got jungle to our right.
Take the picture. It's called Jungle Cruise.
So yeah, there's your little train. Yeah. No, don't worry, that's the fire alarm, that's the train crossing gate. Train crossing gate sound.
We're gonna get some more people.
This is the entrance to the Jungle Cruise. Yeah, so we've got these members of the public here that we're waving to. That is the boarding. This is the boarding point for the cruise ship that we're going to go on later. It's the boarding point for the cruise. And buried anchors. So we're now going along, well, as you know it, the river or the sea, wherever the cruise takes you to. That's fun and all games. Danger, buried ankle, okay? There's the sea. You've got more train stuff to, more bushes to your right. There's the front of the train.
Lion is coming now, lion.
And then there you've got your cruise ship.
I think dolphin may be coming out from,
No, that's for the cruise ship. So there you've got your boat.
There's something on there, seagull.
Yeah, there's something there. To your right. What danger, baby? You got the border of the sea there. We're going over. We're going on elevated tracks where the sea breaks in. We're going on elevated tracks where the sea breaks in. I repeat, we're going on elevated tracks. We're going on bare wood right now. There we go. Go back there. Oh, dolphin. There's a dolphin. Dolphin. There was a dolphin there.
Yeah, see the middle.
Yeah, it's right there. And look, there you have your cruise. Right there, you've got your. Right there, you've got your cruise. That's where you would get off the Longleat cruise ship, jungle thingy. But we're gonna go down there. Go down there. Going down there, through there. And we're gonna go through here.
Lead out. Don't lead out. Don't lead out. Because it's leading. Don't.
So there you've got your swans. There you've got your swans. There you have your swans down there.
I can put my feet out.
No, Shahid, no. Flank left. So here we're entering
Danger. Arms and legs inside the track.
Yeah, the
So we're now entering the Longleat tunnel. As you can see, we're now entering. We are now in the Longleat tunnel in the darkness. We're now inside the Longleat tunnel. We're now inside the Longleat tunnel. We just left the Longleat tunnel. We're back out. Okay, this is a part of Longleat we've never seen. You've got over this side, you've got that. It's the Longleat station here. I swear we're starting to slow down. Stats Halt. That's one of your train stations. This is the station of Stats Halt, which is, as you know, a train station. Stop. This is the station for Stools West. This is Stools West station that we just passed. Well, we're not. Oh my God! There's massive spiders.
Yes, spider. Look at inside spider.
Might be a model, but I don't. There's huge spiders right there. You see it.
These are the robotic spider.
The robotic
Spider.
Yeah, see.
That's the spider.
What is this?
What your robotic spiders?
Enna vandu?
So yep, now we're gonna be curving. So now we're gonna be going through the jungle bit.
Ah, butterfly.
Yeah.
Butterfly don't eat.
Through here, guys.
Butterfly don't eat.
Oh, it's okay, butterfly.
Obviously. Yeah.
The butterfly. Butterfly is the butterfly.
Ladybird?
I wouldn't be going.
It's a ladybug.
Through here.
Hey, Tokubiru. Hey, I know. How do you do that? How do you do that? அப்படியே காண சொல்லு. சரி சரி. ஓ ஃப்ரெண்ட் தானே. ஓ ஃப்ரெண்ட் தானே.
So it says T. I don't know why, but that was assigned to just say T. And now 0500 Zone E. We're now in Zone E of this train ride. We've got a stream. Whoa, we're going over a bridge. So over a bridge, you've got your stream down there. Flowers here. You got your little thing there. Up there on this side. Yeah, just that.
What are we doing after what?
Another
What are we
update
doing
on this
next after
side.
do this, right?
Another upside. Yeah, that's
What are we going? What are we going after do this?
After this, go to boat. Beach, boat.
After that?
We'll go.
No, I don't want to go to boat, mate. I want to go to camp. Yeah, that.
We've got the play area there. Obviously, that every single child wants to go there. You know that they obviously know.
Please, Eddie. After do this? Yeah.
After the boat, after the boat.
தமிழ்ல பேசுங்க
After the boat.
இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசக்கூடாது.
So yeah, we're going on
தமிழ்ல பேசுங்க.
through here.
தமிழோட வளர்ந்து
He's in there. Oh, we're getting really closed. But yeah, update on this side.
Sally next to station.
Longleat Railway.
Railway.
I don't think that's a station, but yeah. On the other side. 5 0200 Zone B.
அது ஒண்ணு விளையாட நானே பசங்க விளையாடிட்டே இருக்காங்க whole day விளையாடுறாங்க.
Got a green signal thing there. SW. I think it's sound whistle. Yep, we're just gonna. The entrance to the Jungle Cruise. That's the entrance to the Jungle Cruise, guys. I just really see sound whistle and there's a sound whistle. I think we just made a loop. We've got our thing there. There's a yellow sign thing. Splits back into two. You've got your detonators. And we have arrived straight
Please remain
back
seated while the train.
at Longleat Station. And everyone, welcome to Longleat Central. And guys, welcome to Longleat Central.